How to use a test light on a motorcycle wiring harness. Are you facing electrical issues with your motorcycle and wondering how to check the wiring harness? Using a test light can be a simple and effective way to troubleshoot. Let's break down the steps to get you started. First, let's talk about what a test light is. A test light is a handy tool that consists of a light bulb or light-emitting diode, a probe, and a ground clip. When you touch the probe to a live electrical point and connect the ground clip to a good ground, the light will illuminate. This indicates that there is voltage present. Before you start testing, it is essential to prepare your motorcycle. First, turn off the ignition to prevent any accidental shorts. Next, locate the wiring harness you want to test. Having a wiring diagram for your motorcycle can be very helpful in identifying wire colors and their functions. Now, let's connect the test light. Attach the ground clip of the test light to a clean and painted metal part of the motorcycle frame or engine. This ensures you have a good ground connection for accurate testing. Once you have everything set up, it's time to test for power. Turn the ignition key to the on position or the accessory position, depending on the circuit you are testing. Touch the test light probe to the wire or terminal you want to check. If the test light illuminates, that wire or terminal has power. If the light does not come on, there may be a break in the wire, a blown fuse, or a faulty switch upstream. Next, let's check for continuity. To see if a wire is continuous, connect the ground clip to one end of the wire and touch the probe to the other end. The light should illuminate if the wire is continuous. If it does not, the wire may be broken or corroded. Now let's test for shorts. To check if wires are shorted to the frame or each other, probe the wires while the test light ground is connected to the frame. If the light comes on unexpectedly, it indicates a short circuit. Shorts often occur where the wiring insulation is damaged, causing wires to contact the metal frame. Here are a few practical tips. Move the wiring harness gently while testing to detect intermittent faults caused by broken wires inside the insulation. Test each wire individually to avoid confusion. Use the wiring diagram to identify wires and their expected voltage or continuity status. Be cautious not to short wires together with the test light probe. Using a test light is an effective first step in motorcycle electrical troubleshooting. It helps quickly identify power flow, open circuits, and shorts in the wiring harness, which are common causes of electrical problems on motorcycles. For more detailed analysis, consider using a multimeter alongside the test light to measure voltage, resistance, and diode function.